Hi, I'm Cindy Besch-Williford. I'm one of the Heart of Missouri Master Gardeners here at Jefferson Farm and Gardens, and I'm here to talk about squash blossoms. So the other day I had fried squash blossoms, which were delicious, and I learned from the recipe that you were to use male squash blossoms so you wouldn't interfere with the plant productivity. So how do you know the difference between a male and female squash blossom? Squash, like other cucurbits, will have flowers that are bell-shaped, beautiful gold color, and the male and female flowers on that side look very similar. But the big difference is the female flower has a short stem, the blossom, and in between is this embryonic fruit that's the same shape as the mature fruit. And as you see farther up on the plant, here is a more mature fruit as it's developing after the flower's been pollinated. And so here's an example of a male flower. They're much more numerous, and you can see that they have a longer curvy stem, and at the junction of the flower with the stem, it's blunt. There's no embryonic fruit there. And if the flower is open, then you're able to see on the inside the anther that has the pollen on the tip. So another good reason to know the difference between male and female flowers is if you see female flowers but no mature fruit on your squash plants. It could be that they're not getting pollinated. In that regard, you can pollinate them yourself. You can take a Q-tip or a fine paintbrush and collect pollen from the male flower and then open up the female flower and deposit it on the stigma inside. So there are two great reasons to know the difference between male and female flowers. One for cooking and one for being sure you get good squash production from your plants.